With Serbian player.
Yeah.
You got Serbian passport yesterday.
Yeah.
Could you tell us something with Serbian about this match, about this game?
Right. No. I'm still learning. I'm not great at learning languages, but I'm doing my best. Now that I'm a citizen, I'm gonna definitely focus more on learning the language.
Really good team game against this Italian team.
Oh yeah, they're really good
in all quarters.
Yeah, they've been playing really well, but we say we're gonna focus on the defensive end, and get rebounds. They can score at will. So once we lock in on defense, we're good.
You're now after a long time on first place in ABA League.
Oh yeah, it's great, but season's not over. It's game by game. We just gotta take it one game at a time, and not look ahead at all.
Next week is a competition, Serbian Cup in Niš.
Yeah, it's when we get there, we'll focus on that. But right now, we got Zadar, and we gotta go into that game, with the right mindset.
Thank you. Wish you best luck, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.